Hello guys, today I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step tutorial of how to install Ubuntu on VMware. Now let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for VMware download. Click on the first link, scroll down, hit on download now and install the VMware workstation. After that, open up another tab and search in Ubuntu download. Now click on the first link, scroll down, click on download. So once you have downloaded, then open up your VMware. Now click on create new virtual machine. Install a disk image file, browse and select the downloaded image. Open it up, click on next. You can name it. I'm naming it Ubuntu. Username. Click on next. You can name your virtual machine. You can select the location. Click on next. Continue. Here I'm giving the disk maximum disk space as 30 GB. Now you can do it as per your wish. Store disk as a single file. Next. Customize hardware. Then the memory I am putting it to the maximum recommended. Close. Finish. Now select English. Click on next. Install Ubuntu. Next. You have to select English. And then you can simply test if it's the right keyboard. Then click on next. Click on update. Then click on restart. Next. Next. Click on next. Here you have default installation as well as full installation. Default installation will be the minimal installation, and you'll also have to check in the third-party software and download and install for additional media formats. And then click on next. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Next. Install. Next. Next. I'll go with dark mode. Next. So once the installation is complete, click on restart now. Now click on your username and enter your password. Okay guys, so now we have successfully installed Ubuntu on our VMware. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for more.